Hello, I'm King Tolentino. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will guide you on how to create your YouTube channel the correct way. Let's go! How to start a YouTube channel the correct way. We will go through the whole process, but first we need to go back into the basics. The first thing you need to do is brainstorming. Go get a paper and pen and start planning. So, it is important to have a high-level niche or goal for your channel. This will be the foundation and guide to your YouTube channel. With this, you will know who your target audience and feed the right video content. Now that you got a niche, you need to think of the channel name. There are no rules about this one, but it would help if it's easy to remember and easy to spell. Once you got your chosen name, check it in all social media. Then, take your time and create accounts to all social media. Next one is branding. It is important because it will make your channel look pro. So you need to create your channel logo, design, and color theme. Just basic editing will do because you can always upgrade in the future. So you need to prepare the following in advance: the profile picture, banner, and watermark. For profile picture, these are the requirements of YouTube: JPEG, GIF, BMP, or PNG file, no animated GIFs. The recommended files pixel is 800 by 800. Then it should be 4 MB or smaller. To help you create your profile picture, you can download my free YouTube profile picture template. It's in PSD format. Next is banner image. Based on YouTube's requirements, the minimum dimension should be 2048 by 1152 pixels with aspect ratio of 16 by 9. For this one, it should be 6 MB or smaller. Same as the profile picture, you can download my free YouTube banner image template in PSD format. The third one is the watermark. For the watermark, you can use your logo. Best to have a maximum of 2 colors. It should be 150 by 150 or 100 by 100 pixels. Background should be transparent. To do this, you should save your image as PNG. Then decide your Gmail account. Once you prepared everything, let's move to the actual process. So first is to sign in to YouTube using your Gmail account. Then click your picture on the top right corner. This is on desktop version. Next is to create a channel. Create a channel. Click this one. Input your channel name and upload your profile picture. Now we move to the About section. On your YouTube channel's main page, click Customize Channel. In YouTube Studio, Customization, Basic Info tab, you should fill out the following. For the channel description, it should be a short explanation about your channel. So you will also add your social media links here. And it is important to add your contact info. The next step is to optimize your channel. For this one, it is in the same module. It's YouTube Studio, Settings, Channel, Basic Info tab. You need to add your channel keywords. For this one, the max keyword is up to 500 characters. Include keywords that are related to your channel. You should also avoid keyword stuffing in order to rank. It will hurt your channel more than it will help. Then, you need to verify your channel. In YouTube Studio, Settings, Channel, Feature Eligibility, verify phone number. So it's the intermediate features. It will require you to input your phone number. Next is we need to customize the look of your channel. Upload your profile picture if you haven't done already. On your YouTube channel main page, click Customize Channel. You will be transferred to YouTube Studio. Then in YouTube Studio, click Settings, Channel, Branding tab, and click the Change button under Picture section. It's this one. Then same with your banner here and your watermark. There. What's the use of the watermark? This one is important because of three things. First is branding. Next, it identifies your content in case of unauthorized use. Lastly, another way for viewers to subscribe. After customizing your channel, time to upload your first video. It is best to create a channel trailer. I will create a separate blog about how to upload a YouTube video properly. Then after you upload your first video, time to promote on social media. Let your social media network know about your channel. So other important things, once you have several videos, group them by category and add playlist. You can also download my free How to Start a YouTube Channel checklist here. If you want to know more about the gears I use, you can check it out here.
There you have it. I will leave the article on my site below. So if you find this video helpful, leave a like. It will help my channel. Thanks. See you on my next video. Peace.